Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resize videos in Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe and leave a like. So let's begin. First, we need to start our project so we can start resize our elements in edits. So we click on this plus sign that will allow us to create a new project. So after clicking, you will need just to choose your elements or the media that you want to edit. I'm going to choose this video. So from here, you will be able to click on the video, and as you can see, it is highlighted, and you will be able to start changing it, or you will start be able to start position it and editing on it. So you can either start pinching and then you will be able to start resizing it, or you can simply start adding all the elements that you want, and from there you will be able to control their size. Even text or other overlays or stickers, everything is resizable. So here I have this sticker, and you can start pinching in and zooming in or fishing with your fingers here on the screen, and that will allow you to start resizing the elements of this video, and that would be applied, as I said, on even the overlays. So let's just choose this image, and then we will be able to start resizing it by pinching it, even the videos or even the frame. So that was what the way on how you can start resizing your videos or your clips and the medias on Instagram edits. So thank you for watching and see you next time.